away they go. Mighty Zeus from the outside. Minotaur, Lucky Joe, Lucky Tarzan, Maximus. Lucky Joe, Lucky takes the lead, followed by Tarzan, Maximus in second. Minotaur racing into running in fourth is Mighty Zeus, moving up by the honor class. Chopo King, Haha is running in sixth, moving up in seventh position. Is looking at Lucky, then comes Queen Rampfire in between runners. Forbidden Fruit and Ateng is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Lucky Joe Lucky, followed by Mighty Zeus in second, and racing by the Rally Star Maximus. Chopo King is running in fourth, fifth honor class, sixth Minotaur, and Queen Rampfire is running in seventh position by the Rally. As they race the final corner, Lucky Joe Lucky, Mighty Zeus, Chopo King is running by the Rally. Tarzan, Maximus, Queen Rampfire, Lucky Joe Lucky, Mighty Zeus to grab the lead. It's now Mighty Zeus from the outside and running by the Rally. Lucky Joe Lucky, Queen Rampfire is running by the Rally. Mighty Zeus, Queen Rampfire, and finally Mighty Zeus, Queen Rampfire. Number 2, Lucky Joe Lucky, Chopo King, and Forbidden Fruit, Pentafecta.